If you're having a stressful day or about to experience an anxiety attack, watch this video all the way through and pay close attention so you can return to balance again. Your well-being deserves this attention, and I'm here to support you on this journey. Let's turn these minutes into moments of real transformation together. And you know what's even more interesting? This practice doesn't have to be limited to the start of your day. At any time, when you feel pressure, stress, or anxiety rising, pause and return to the space of mindfulness and relaxation, even if just for a few seconds. We recommend that you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can receive more high vibrational videos like this one and easily remember where to find this video. Okay, ready? Let's get started.
Hey, just stop everything for a moment. Seriously, just for a few minutes. I know the world doesn't stop, but right now is your time. Let's do this together. Sit comfortably, or if you're standing, relax your shoulders and let go of everything. Now, take a deep breath. Feel the air coming in, it fills your lungs, and as you exhale, let go of any tension. This is your time, just for you, and it's not selfish. Far from it. Putting yourself first, even for a few minutes, will make a big difference in your day. Ready to move on? Think of this as a ritual. It's simple but powerful. Whenever life gets overwhelming, pause. Breathe, and bring your focus back to yourself. Shift your attention from all the things you need to do and return it to this moment. Remember that saying, you can't pour from an empty cup. If you don't take care of yourself, how can you handle everything with calm and presence? So, whenever chaos threatens to take over, take that little time for yourself. It might seem small now, but over time, these moments of pause will help you gain more clarity, and the best part? You can do this at any time of the day. It doesn't have to be just in the morning. When you feel your mind racing, come back to this place of peace. You'll notice the difference. Ready for the next step? Now that you're more present, there's one more thing to help. Now, let's talk about breathing. Trust me. This is more important than it seems. Do this with me. Take a deep breath in. Yes, pull the air in. Feel it filling your lungs. Now, let it out slowly, through your mouth, really slowly. Do it again. Feel how your body is relaxing, bit by bit. Can you sense it? Let's do this a few more times. But now, pay attention to the details. As you inhale, feel the air coming from deep down, filling your chest. And as you exhale, imagine letting go of any tension or worry inside. Go ahead. Here's a trick that works every time you need to calm down. Inhale counting to 4. Hold for about 7 seconds. And then exhale slowly, counting to 8. Give it a try. And do it again. The more you practice, the more you'll feel your body easing up. And if any thoughts distract you, because they always do, just notice them and gently bring your focus back to your breath. No rush. No pressure. This kind of breathing is like magic. You can do it before bed, when your mind is racing, or even in the middle of your workday when everything seems too much. Breathing will bring you back to the present and help you stay calm. So, next time stress starts to hit, remember this. Your breath is always with you. ready to help you relax and stay grounded. Now, let's focus on your body. Really tune into how it's feeling right now. Maybe your shoulders are a bit tense, or you didn't even notice that your jaw is clenched. This happens a lot. We build up tension without realizing it. Here's what you do. Close your eyes again. If you can, breathe deeply and slowly bring your attention to each part of your body. Start with your feet. How are they feeling? Then, move up through your legs, abdomen, chest, and all the way to your head. How is each part? Any tension you notice, breathe deeply and let it go, releasing the weight. This body scan practice is really powerful. As you focus on each area, it's like you're saying to your body, "Hey, I'm taking care of you." When you notice any tension, make small movements. Gently move your neck, roll your shoulders to release. Notice how just paying attention already makes you feel lighter. That's your body asking for more care, more relaxation. And believe me, it deserves it. After all, it's the one keeping you upright and moving every day, even when you're not paying attention. And you know what? This is also a form of gratitude. While you feel each part of your body, thank your body for everything it does. Even without you asking, it's always working to keep you going. Paying it this kind of attention is a way of acknowledging its efforts. So, next time you feel tense or tired, remember to do this body scan. It'll help you release tension and bring you back to the present with much more ease and relaxation. Let's talk about something that happens to everyone now: the mind wandering. You are there, breathing, relaxing, but suddenly, boom, a thought pops up. It could be anything, from that task you forgot to a plan for the future. And that's okay. It's normal. The key to mindfulness is recognizing that the mind will wander. And when it does, don't beat yourself up. Just notice what's happening and gently bring your focus back to what you're doing. In this case, the breath.
Continue breathing and paying attention at your body while listening to me. Right. If a thought pops up, you don't discuss with it. You let it just go without thinking of it, without judging it. All right.
It might sound simple, but redirecting your focus is incredibly powerful. Every time your mind strays, just return to the present without rushing or pressuring yourself. It's perfectly fine to get distracted. What matters is how you come back. So, when that happens, breathe in, feel the air, and bring your mind back. That's mindfulness. It's not about blocking thoughts, but noticing, accepting, and continuing with calm. This practice will help you in many moments of life, not just during meditation, but throughout your daily activities. When you feel overwhelmed, bring your attention back to the present moment. It will give you clarity and a sense of control. And the best part? Over time, it becomes automatic. You'll notice when your mind starts to wander and naturally bring it back to the present.
It's going to be so automatic that even when you are in the middle of your daily activities, you can focus on your body, focus on your breathing, focus on how you are feeling. And, again, if a thought pops up, you are just an observer. You don't argue with it. Agreed.
Now let's do another simple exercise. Think of something that made you smile today, or in recent days. It could be something small, like a peaceful moment, a pleasant conversation, or even a good cup of coffee. Got something in mind? Hold on to that feeling for a moment. Take a deep breath and, as you exhale, imagine spreading that good feeling throughout your body. That's it. Feel the impact gratitude has on you. Sometimes, all we need to change our day is to remember these small joys. Here's a challenge for you today. Find a way to share that joy with someone else. It could be something simple, like a smile, a positive message, or a small act of kindness. You can do it right now in the comment section if you want. When you share joy and gratitude, it's not just the recipient who benefits, but you do too. It creates a cycle of positivity that transforms your surroundings. You know that good feeling you get when someone does something kind for you? You can be that source for others and for yourself. Gratitude is a daily practice. The more you find reasons to be thankful, the more life gives you reasons to smile. Even on tough days, there's always something, no matter how small, that can bring a bit of light into your life. So, before you end your day today, try to remember something that made you feel good and breathe in that feeling. Gratitude doesn't have to be complex. It's found in the simplest things, and the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And if you enjoyed what you've learned, head to the comments and share your experience. Your feedback can help others feel confident about starting too. Share this video with your friends or in any spiritual groups you're part of. And don't forget to hit that like button. It helps the video reach more people who, like you, are looking for ways to connect and find balance. See you soon.